In today's rapidly evolving job market, opportunities abound for individuals seeking well-paying careers. Among these, certain professions stand out for their impressive earning potential, attracting a significant number of men. Factors such as educational background, experience, and industry demand play a crucial role in determining compensation. This video explores the top 10 best-paying jobs for men, shedding light on the qualifications required and the scope of these careers. Hello and welcome everyone. Today, we're going to be shared 10 best-paying jobs for men. Number 1. Surgeons and physicians. Surgeons and physicians consistently rank among the highest-paid professionals. These medical experts diagnose and treat patients' medical conditions, often specializing in specific areas such as neurology, cardiology, or orthopedics. The extensive education and training required, including medical school and residencies, contribute to their elevated earning potential. Number 2. Dentists. Dentists play a pivotal role in maintaining oral health. They diagnose and treat dental issues, perform procedures like root canals and tooth extractions, and educate patients about dental care. Dentists need a Doctor of Dental Medicine (DMD) or Doctor of Dental Surgery (DDS) degree and often establish their private practices. Number 3. Petroleum engineers. Petroleum engineers are instrumental in the extraction and production of oil and gas resources. Their responsibilities include designing equipment, developing drilling strategies, and maximizing production efficiency. With expertise in science and engineering, they contribute significantly to the energy sector. Number 4. IT managers. Information technology (IT) managers oversee a company's technological infrastructure. They manage teams responsible for maintaining networks, databases, and software systems. A blend of technical knowledge and leadership skills is essential for this role, making it a well-compensated position. Number 5. Marketing managers. Marketing managers are tasked with developing strategies to promote products and services, analyzing market trends, and managing advertising campaigns. Their ability to drive sales and enhance brand visibility directly impacts a company's success, warranting competitive salaries. Number 6. Financial managers. Financial managers are responsible for an organization's financial health. They prepare financial reports, create investment strategies, and guide financial decisions. Strong analytical skills and a thorough understanding of economics and finance contribute to their high earning potential. Number 7. Pharmacists. Pharmacists dispense prescription medications, advise patients on proper usage, and ensure drug interactions are understood. A Doctor of Pharmacy (Pharm.D) degree is required, and pharmacists often work in pharmacies, hospitals, or pharmaceutical companies. Number 8. Computer and Information Systems Managers. Computer and Information Systems Managers, also known as IT managers, oversee a company's technological operations. They ensure that computer systems and networks function smoothly, manage IT teams, and implement new technologies to enhance efficiency. Number 9. Airline pilots and flight engineers. Airline pilots and flight engineers operate aircraft, ensuring safe and efficient travel. Extensive training and experience, including flight school and certification, are necessary for this career. Their responsibilities involve both the technical aspects of flying and the safety and comfort of passengers. Number 10. Engineering managers. Engineering managers supervise engineering teams, coordinate projects, and ensure that technical innovations are successfully implemented. They require a deep understanding of engineering principles, coupled with leadership and management skills. As the job landscape continues to evolve, certain professions consistently offer attractive compensation packages to men who excel in their fields. Surgeons, dentists, petroleum engineers, IT managers, marketing managers, financial managers, pharmacists, computer and information systems managers, airline pilots, and engineering managers are among the top 10 best-paying jobs for men. We hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Hit the bell so you never miss out on our new videos, and thanks for watching. Until next time, safe travels.